Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Gusaini bin Zamzi. So today we will present about the busy proposal for Nawal. So before we start with the proposal, I will present about our groupmate. The first one is Muhammad Iskandar bin Mazlan. Second, Muhammad Khalid bin Muhammad Kamal. Muhammad bin Zaki bin Muhammad Zahir. Fourth is me, Muhammad Gusaini bin Zamzi. And the last one is Muhammad Ridwan bin Muhammad Noh. So we will start the proposal with the introduction. That is Muhammad Adam.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I'll be introducing our proposal. Okay, so our introduction is nowadays studies and works require the workers or students to have a good computer for big data works or rendering high quality video. Sometimes people need a computer for doing business work or content creation. Our busy proposal is to fulfill the requirements for Nawal, a new student in UiTM that need a computer for watching movies and can handle big softwares. Our computer considerate of gaming and non-operating specifications to solve this problem. Okay, so let's move on.
So the first component that we have in the laptop is AMD Ryzen 9 5900X, which is it helps the computer to work faster, better than Intel Core i9 and compatible with socket AM4. The this this CPU is the top 10 best CPU in the world because this CPU is rounded out by PC1E 4.0 support, which means the CPU of Intel and AMD has been implemented. Next is MSI MPGX 570 Gaming Pro Carbon Wi-Fi, which is it is an enhanced performance, lightning fast game experience, better heatsink design, better audio sounds, support DDR4 memory, better graphic card and fast data transfer. Next one. Okay, the next one, the next component is G-Skill Trident Z Neo 32 GB DDR4 3600 mHz, which is for memory card of the laptop, which is it is a massive storage, support DDR4, faster performance, and also better overclocking and latency tuning. That's it.
Okay, so I'll be introducing our graphic cards. The one that we pick is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3018 Ti. So the reason we pick this graphic card is it has a gorgeous, innovative color design, powerful for ray tracing and 4K gaming, no noise operation even under stress, and DLSS AI acceleration improve. DLSS AI acceleration improve stands for FPS, frame rate per second. So now one can run gaming or videos, software apps that need a lot of FPS. So this is the reason that we pick this graphic card. So next.
Thank you, Adam. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Kazaki. So I will present about the storage ROM of this computer, which is Seagate Barracuda Pro 12 TB / 2 TB 3.5 HDD hard drive SATA 7200 RPM internal hard disk drive internal HDD data storage. First, when we purchase this storage ROM, Seagate will provide the 5 years warranty, which is if we have problem, we can give back to us Seagate for the new storage ROM. And then it have a big storage, which is 12 TB. There's a lot of storage for a computer, and the size is 3.5 inch, which is compatible to all computer case. And then it comes with multi-tier caching technology, which is this technology, this MTC will help to uh, serve the data faster and faster. Then it provides amazingly quick delivery of data with speed up to 250 megabyte per second and burst data rates of up to 6 gigabyte per second at a spin speed of 7200 rpm. Next.
Okay, we move to our power supply unit. That is ROG TOR 1200P. This is a power supply unit. As we know, power supply unit is internal IT hardware component that converts the alternating high voltage current AC to different current DC. The purpose of the other component is to regulate DC output voltage to define tolerance required for modern computing components. Okay, so the first one of the benefit of this PSU is RSync, OLED power display, RGB lighting, larger heatsink internally, provided microcontroller feeding real-time power draw data to an OLED screen installed on the unit side, sleeve cable, and the weight is 2.27 kg. So as we know nowadays, there's many there's many power supply unit that the brand and quality one. So this is one of the brand by the Asus, the very quality and very good for all the gamers. Okay, that's all. Next.
Back to me, I will present about the system cooling of the computer, which is we choose Arctic Liquid Freezer 2 360. This component has won European Hardware Award 2020, which is give a beneficial impact to this component to the Arctic. And this cooling system, this system cooling support the most powerful processor that provide from Intel and the AMD, which is we know Intel and AMD is the main processor that provide the powerful one. And then it allows CPU to stay cool even when overlocked to max with over 200 watt heat to disperse. And with this liquid freezer too, it have a low noise, which is it not to distract the user. Okay, next.
Okay, we move to the gaming chair. We choose TT Racing Max gaming chair. We know gaming chair is created for the comfort for all the gamers. It's very functional to increasing the comfortability with their compartments. They have many compartments served by TT Racing Max gaming chair. It's providing the utmost comfort with the wide and tall body and seats. It can make the users more comfortable to use. It's also less heat trap. The backrest can be reclined until 155 degrees. It means the backrest can be reclined until so the the backrest can be adjustable. The chair covers are made from foam and the premium for later. The armrest also can adjustable, including the quality of pillow on the top of the backrest, the aluminium alloy wheelbase, heavy duty gas lift. So this chair gaming is very eye catching for the gamers and the PC lovers, because even though the price is a bit pricey, but it's worth to own. Okay, next.
Okay, so the headphone that we choose for our PC proposal is Asus ROG Delta Game Headset. So the reason we choose this design is the detailed and crisp sound quality, which is 7.1 surround sound that it provides, brilliant range and depth in surround sound, so and great design and build. Last but not least is generally good software for setup. So the good software that for the setup of this headphone is going to use the Asus ROG software that can be found on the ROG website.
So for the software, we choose Windows 10 Pro. That is the latest software that been provided by Microsoft company. It has a better feature than other hardware. This software provide good. This software can help off the file and the folders. Uh, for next, there is Microsoft 365. This is a list on every computer for user in the world. Inside the Microsoft 365, it have Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote, and many other software that have been provided. This software can help Nawal to do the assignment, such as in Words or calculate. The Adobe Creative Suite is software offered of every Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Lightroom, and Illustrator. If Nawal purchase this package, she will get the privacy right and right as an official user that have many advantage and benefit. This software can help her because she often does editing on photos and videos. The last software that we choose is C++ software. This is a coding. It provide the tutorial and help the beginner to learn about programming and coding. Inside the software, there are raw free code that has been input and they can alter it by themselves. So for the each row, the text coding are colored to help Nawal from being confused. This software we choose because it can support Nawal assignment that is for coding, and Nawal also can learn how to write code with the proper way.
So the Fantex GS202 Sona 2.0 USB GS301 Trifica LGB is our suggestion for Nawal. So it emits sound from the computer. The audio produced very clear and loud. Speaker size for a computer is small. The speaker comes with high resolution and 360-degree audio. Nawal likes to watch movies and dramas using computers, listen and feel more comfortable when using computers. So this is the best suggestion for Nawal that as we know, Nawal is a movies lover and drama lover, so it is very best and good for Nawal. So next,
Okay, this the display that we suggest for Nawal, which is we choose Sony Prism Plus X300. Uh, uh, Prism Plus is the new company by Sony, which is we know Sony is the uh, advanced in creating the screen, including television. This Prism Plus X300 provide 200 Hz screen refresh rate, which is it is enough to playing game, and one of the highest hertz we can get, highest refresh rate we can get. Then it have a 1 millisecond response time, which is very fast, and 30-inch wide angle screen. It is big enough to watching movies or playing games. Then it have 1800R curve screen. That's the curve measuring. Then it has adaptive sync technology, which works with both NVIDIA and AMD graphic cards. Next.
So for the input device, there is keyboard, We choose the Razer Black Widow V3 Pro. Uh, this one of the best gaming keyboard that have been sold in the market because of the features and the function that are include in the package. This keyboard built with the palm resting pad that help to prevent Nawal hand from hurts. Nawal can use this keyboard for the assignment or the team because it have features such as shortcut alphabet. Also, this keyboard can help Nawal do assignment on dark room or night because it have a RGB LED light that can reflect the light to the keyboard.
The last components, which is the computer case, we choose GameMax Rockstar 2. This computer case comes with a RGB light glass, which is it made from glass and have a RGB light that uh, gaming color, and mode front glass and dual light glass. Surround this casing is surrounded by glass, and it comes with remote control, which is Nawal can control the light by herself using the remote provided. Then it supports up to 8 fans and has 3 pins RGB header. Last, with full length PSU shroud, divided HDD base, and lots of cut 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 out holes for cable management. That means cable can be managed because it have full length PSU shroud, divided HDD base, and have a lot of cut out holes. That's all the components for the Nawal computer. We move to the pricing of whole component of this computer.
So this is the pricing for the proposal. The round up of the total is around 25,081 ringgit. It's a little bit pricey, but it will worth it for Nawal to have the best and the better proposal at a better PC. That's the conclusion.
So, this is the conclusion. In this modern era, the technology nowadays can advancing day by day. There are many multifunctional device created by the professional, and PC is one of the device that show a big development in technology advancement. With all this revolution, technology has also made our lives easier, faster, better, and more fun. As the student, PC is one of the important aspect and asset for us in continuing the journey of a successful student. So the suggestion that we made for Nawal is the best PC components to Nawal to future her study. And we hope uh, we can help Nawal in solving the problem. That's all from us. Thank you very much.